dear citizens of the universe, and welcome to this week's video. So far I've managed to keep up with the planned schedule, so this is the second Halloween makeup with a hint of glam. So this week I thought it would be cool to do a horror unicorn kind of look. I'm going to show you how to do the glam and the SFX part as well in this video. Okay, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first thing is that you have to make a horn-like thing. I made this from tin foil, but you can use paper or any kind of flexible material you have. And to make the application easier, I cut out a circular form, and I'm just going to glue the horn in the middle, because when you apply it, it's going to be much easier to cover this part with Simbax rather than just trying to be detailed at the horn. So this is the first step you have to make. Okay, so the first thing is going to be priming my eyelid. Okay, so first I'm going to blend in MFEO as a transition shade with the Morphe M433. Next I'm going to blend in shade Jax. And now I'm doing a cut crease. Okay, and I'm going to apply the pink, the purple and the blue glitter shadows. I'm starting the glitters with shade Sissy. And I'm using Morphe M514. Next I'm going in with shade Cranapple. Then finally I'm using shade Pool Party. In the outer corner I'm adding shade Twerk, the dark blue glittery one. And then I'm starting to go out to my lower lash line with this detailed round brush. I'm going in with shade Reality, just to blend the blue and the reddish color together. And to continue the lower lash line, I'm adding Pool Party again and blend it out with that darker blue. Finally, just to give it a pop, I'm using shade Beam just to the really inner corner, just to give it a little nice whitish glittery highlight. Okay, so guys, I replaced the camera because it's getting darker and I don't have the proper light, and you couldn't see the colors on camera, but here is how it looks like. And I'm just going to quickly do my eyeliner, add lashes, and the glam look is going to be all complete. Okay, so guys, I added my lashes and a little rhinestone in the inner corner, just to make it even more rainbowy. Okay, so this is how it looks without the horn. But it's just a few minutes until we get horny. Oh, it is terrible. I'm using eyelash glue. It's clear, to stick the... I hate freaking air bubbles in the glue, because I'm just covered in glue. Thanks. Wonderful. Okay, let's continue. Okay. I'm more of that, you know, staying at home, watching a scary movie type of girl, so alone. But I enjoy doing these Halloween looks because I might help someone out there who just doesn't have any idea how to do a last minute quick Halloween look, just what he or she has home. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, now the glue is dry more or less, but I can't wait anymore. So I'm just going to apply it to the middle, hopefully. This eyelash glue is great. I really recommend it. I did great, right? Okay, moving on. I'm using the regular sim bags as I used to. I'm just gonna use my spatula and carve some out. And now I'm forming a half circle because I couldn't put the full circle on. So I'm just going to apply the top first because I don't want it to fall off. Finally, this just sticks to it. Thank God, I don't even care if my hair is in it anymore. Just stick there. I feel fabulous, guys. How good could it feel to be unicorn? I mean, you have this little, or should I say, big horn in the middle of your forehead. No one can come close to you because you just, you know, kill them with your horn. Just absolutely wonderful. Okay, so when you feel like you're ready with blending, you should try that to match your skin color. I'm using this skin color palette. Okay, I'm using firstly the same random blend from eBay, I think. You know what? Just fucking pour it in. You know what? Let's just use this Macron blood gel. Using a makeup sponge to blend it up. I'm adding some more of the blood gel just around the horn because it's a darker kind and it makes it look realistic. I mean, as much as it can look real. Fuck that. Just fuck. And the last step is the lipstick. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. Okay, so that was all. If you guys like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up, and please, if you are not already, please subscribe because, you know, with this new YouTube there are smaller channels who have absolutely no chance to just get out there to the explore page. Even bigger channels struggle with it, so it really means a lot if you found this video and you liked it. Just please give a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. My social media links are down in the description and also the end of the video, you can see that. And yeah, that was all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.